Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy. I am a makeup and beauty enthusiast, and I love to talk about makeup and beauty products and try things out and share my experiences with y'all. Today I'm going to be talking about my first experience with the Target beauty boxes. I picked up 3 of these, so I'm going to give you my first impressions and talk about the value of those. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. I have been familiar with the Target beauty boxes for quite a while, and I have not actually purchased one. Usually when I see them either in the app or in an ad or something like that, it looks great, but then when I actually look at the individual items in the box, I'm like, do I really need this? Am I really going to use this? Is this something that I truly want? And most of the time I've been able to talk myself out of buying them. But recently they had a special where this beauty box, and then one other that I did not get were, normally these are $7. They were marked down to $5 in the store, and then they had a 30% off in the Cartwheel app. So that brought them down to like $4.50 each, which was really kind of like too good of a deal to pass up. Plus I have a Target debit card, so I get additional 5% off everything that I purchase. So for me, I was like, okay, you know, this is a really good deal. Then with the purple one, which is only available online, or at least it was in my area, I saw that somebody I follow on Instagram had gotten this one, and it seemed like a really good, it wasn't as much of a deal because the Cartwheel deal was over, and also that doesn't work online, but I really thought that this was worth the $7. So I cannot remember her name, but I will pop it up here once I have time to look it up, because I follow so many people on Instagram and I hate that my brain sometimes just freezes up and I'm like, what is her name? I see her face. I wish I could search Instagram by faces, because sometimes I just don't remember usernames, but like I know what the person looks like and I know exactly who I'm thinking of. It drives me crazy. Anyway, so I did wait until I had the purple one to do this video so that I had a few different items to talk to y'all about. So we're gonna save this one for last. So starting off with the beauty boxes, there are a bunch of different kinds available in store, and they used to vary these up by month, but now these seem like they are still available in the store. So here is the pink and yellow ones that I got in the store for $4.50. They do show on the back what you get inside of the box. This particular box, it does not say, they have a name. Let's see if it says inside. This is the In Your Skin box, the pink one. So it has a little thing talking about winter being harsh and reviving your skin with spring. You can also find full-size versions of all of the items at target.com/beautybox. So that's pretty cool. And it also comes with some coupons, which actually this is perfect because I'm almost out of my cellar water. So that's a Garnier coupon to go with this Garnier Soothing Facial Mist made with rose water. It's a little sample size here. See, yeah. And it is 99% naturally derived ingredients. It is vegan, and it's made without parabens, dyes, silicones, or sulfates. So it says, find me in the skincare aisle. And I apologize, it's really overcast today, so my lighting's probably gonna suck through this video, but you'll just have to bear with me. So this next item is the Pixie Rose Tonic. And it is this cute little travel size. I have not tried the Rose Tonic, so I'm excited about this. I have tried the Glow Tonic, and I love Pixie products overall. So I'm very interested to see how this one works. Like the Garnier item, it says naturally soothing, rich in nutrients. This tonic helps tone, balance pH, minimize redness, and calm the skin. So similar to the Glow Tonic from Pixie. It also came with a Garnier 3-in-1 moisturizer day-night mask, which is a cute little sample size. Y'all know I love my masks. And it also came with this great Method body wash. Now this is pretty heavy. I feel like, you know, it is a smaller like travel size, but this thing, how much does it say it weighs? It says it weighs 3.4 fluid ounces, but goodness. It is the Pure Peace Peony, Rose Water, and Pink Sea Salt. So this is kind of a rose pink themed box. And the last item in here, which I was really excited about, is the Native deodorant. It is lavender and rose, and lavender is not my favorite scent, but I'm hoping it's maybe more rose than lavender. Let's see. Okay, it's actually not, it's not heavily scented at all, which I am glad about. So I am interested to try this. And it doesn't say anything about the deodorant on the package, but it is a little small travel size. So I'm gonna see if it says anything on the box itself. It lists all the ingredients. So that's pretty cool though. So if you're interested in any of the ingredients, like if you have a sensitivity or you avoid a particular ingredient, all the ingredient lists for each of the items is available on the back of the box. So that is really nice. Next is the yellow box. And I do hope that these are the correct names that I'm telling you. I will look these up and I will pop up the name if it is the same as this or if it's not, so you'll at least know what they're called. This is the So Fresh, So Clean box, and it is also just talking about spring, refreshing, putting a glow to your skin. And this has, ooh, the Everyman Jack body wash and shave gel. Oh, shower gel, excuse me. It is a sandalwood scent, which might be, oh, it is a little bit more masculine. So I may give this to my husband, but I do like sandalwood scent. So I was expecting there to be some kind of a seal, but there's not a seal on it. So it just kind of gushed out. And this is 3.2 fluid ounces, and honestly this looks like a full size to me. So I'm not familiar with this brand, but it does say it is naturally derived, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, 50% post PCR, which I think is something recycle. I don't know. So that's pretty cool that a lot of these are natural. And they also have 2 premium cotton rounds. I did just buy some reusable rounds from Amazon so that I can minimize the amount of waste that I'm producing, because I usually use 2 of these a day. I usually use one to wash my face in the morning and then one for taking off my mascara and eye makeup at night. So I probably will stick these in my travel kit to use for when I travel. This also came with the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff shampoo, easy for me to say. And this is just a cute little travel size, and I may end up giving this one to my husband too, because, ooh, very fresh and fruity. I only use sulfate-free stuff for my red hair, and it doesn't say, but I'm sure that this has sulfates in it because almost every shampoo does. So we'll look on the back and see in a second. It also came with the Dove Dry Shampoo, the Refresh and Care. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Focus. The Refresh and Care Dry Shampoo for fullness and volume. I've never tried the Dove dry shampoo, but I do use dry shampoo most days of the week, so I'm interested to try this out, see how it works. And then finally in the yellow box we have the Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Mask. I've not tried this particular brand, this particular mask, but I have tried many of the Yes to brand, and I do like them. And I also like brightening masks in general. I feel like you can never have too much of like a natural glow. So very excited to try out most of these items. and gift the ones I'm not going to use to my husband. Now let's see, it does list the ingredients of each product on the back here. And yes, the second ingredient in the Dove Dryness and Itch Relief Shampoo is sodium lauryl sulfate. So I will not be using that shampoo, but I know my husband will get use out of it for sure. Now this contained 5 items, and I'm noticing the rose box also contained 5 items. For some reason I was thinking this was 6 items, but anyway, okay, so they both contain 5 items. And next on to the purple box. So the first thing that I noticed about this box is that it actually has a lift-off lid, as opposed to the other ones, which was all one piece and it just came off like that. So it's a little bit nicer, sturdier box. Like, this would be appropriate if you wanted to give it as like a gift to somebody. This is the Festival Beauty Headliners. The second one I looked at did not come with a coupon, but this comes with a coupon that unfortunately expired in June the 2nd, so that blows. It was for $3 off a purchase of $15 or more. So yeah, I wish they made that good for a little bit longer. And it also has tissue paper in it, so it's just a little bit nicer than the other boxes. So this one, Festival Beauty Headliners, it says festival season is here. This is to help you stand out from the crowd. So this contains the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh Cool Essentials. It is a spray-on deodorant, which TMI, somebody was just saying in one of the Facebook groups that I'm in for beauty, this was great for boob sweat. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm sorry, if you live in the South, you know what I mean. This also comes with the Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. I have never tried this, so I'm excited to give it a try. I don't use peels in general, so this will be fun to play around with. I like that they taped this guy closed so it didn't come open during shipping. This is the Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist with green tea extract. Broad spectrum 30 UVA UVB protection. There we go. So this is great just for like spritzing it on when you need to reapply your sunscreen, but maybe you have makeup on for whatever reason, like you're at a festival and you don't want to just glop a bunch of sunscreen on your face. Next, we have the SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, Refresh, and Hold. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. So this is interesting. This will be good to try out for those hot, sweaty summer days. There we go. I'm sorry, it's not wanting to focus today. Probably has something to do with the light. Then we have the Mask Bar Holographic Foil Peel Off Mask. This I'm sure is probably not really going to focus on since the packaging is holographic like the mask. I have also tried Mask Bar products and really like them. I've tried their Garnet Mask. I know I'm not really sure which other ones right offhand, but I have not tried this one. I am excited to give it a try. It contains collagen, so it is probably not vegan. I don't know about cruelty-free, but most collagen is from animal-derived sources, so do you know that? Eucalyptus extract and grapefruit extract. And finally, this was a really cool, different thing than what you usually find in these beauty boxes. This is the Scoonsy and Sincerely Jewels hair jewels. So you can throw these into a hairstyle and it just gives you like a fun, cool festival type vibe. And most of these are just little rings, you know, like a rose gold, but there is one with a little moon on it. So these would be fun. I'm not going to a festival this year, but I am going to be going to the Alternative Bush Live and Our Lady Peace show in New Orleans at the end of July, which is going to probably be hotter than hell. So I know I will definitely get some use out of that spray-on sunscreen for that, if nothing else. Yeah, you 90s babies know what I'm talking about, or 80s babies that were teenagers during the 90s like me. Bush is one of my favorite bands. The last time I saw them was on the MTV Campus Invasion tour, and I think the year 2000 or 2001. So I'm excited to see Bush again, and never seen live. My battery died on me when I was rambling, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I hope that you have enjoyed talking about the Target beauty boxes with me. I will be checking back in to let you know what I think of some of the products. Definitely after the Bush show to talk about that spritz-on sunscreen, which I'm very interested to try. I don't know if I'll have another opportunity to try before then. I don't want to use it up before that particular show, because I think that'll be great to have for that. The other items I will definitely be talking about in my next empties video. I have been shopping my stash pretty hardcore, so I have a lot of empties to talk about, the things that I like, the things that I didn't like, and there's one big thing that I didn't like, so I will be talking to y'all about that. And I think that is everything for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not already, please be sure to subscribe and also follow me over on Instagram. If you're interested in this rainbow look that I've got going on, I know that I will have already posted about it on Instagram by the time this video goes live. So thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you next time.